Ever wondered how your favorite creamy, delicious ice cream is made? From fresh ingredients to the final frozen treat, we're taking you behind the scenes of the fascinating process that brings this sweet delight to life. Stick around and discover the magic behind every scoop. Ice cream's origins date back over 2,000 years. Ancient China is credited with early frozen desserts, where snow and milk were mixed with rice for a refreshing treat. Fast forward to the 13th century, when Marco Polo is said to have introduced frozen delicacies to Europe after his travels to Asia. By the 17th century, ice cream had become a symbol of luxury, enjoyed by European royalty. It wasn't until the 19th century, with the invention of mechanical refrigeration, that ice cream became accessible to the masses. Today, it's a global favorite, enjoyed in countless varieties. At its core, ice cream is surprisingly simple. The base ingredients are milk, cream, and sugar. To this, natural or artificial flavorings, and sometimes eggs, are added. For commercial ice cream, stabilizers like Gia gum or carrageenan ensure the texture stays smooth and creamy. The journey from ingredients to your bowl begins with blending. Milk, cream, and sugar are combined in large stainless steel tanks. This mixture, known as the ice cream base, is heated to kill bacteria, a process called pasteurization. Next, the base is homogenized. This step breaks down fat molecules, ensuring a consistent and creamy texture. Once the base is cooled, it's time to add the magic, flavorings like vanilla, chocolate, or fruit purees. For some varieties, inclusions like cookie chunks, nuts, or candy pieces are added later. Freezing is a crucial step. The base is pumped into a continuous freezer, where it's simultaneously chilled and churned. Churning prevents large ice crystals from forming, giving ice cream its smooth consistency. At this stage, air is incorporated into the mixture. The amount of air, known as overrun, determines the texture. Today, ice cream comes in endless forms: traditional scoops, rolled ice cream, soft serve, and even liquid nitrogen frozen creations. Innovations in flavors and techniques continue to push boundaries, catering to adventurous foodies and nostalgic ice cream lovers alike. Once frozen to a soft serve consistency, the ice cream is portioned into containers. It's then sent to a blast freezer, where temperatures plummet to around -40 degrees Celsius. This hardening step ensures the ice cream holds its shape during transportation and storage. From its ancient roots to the high-tech production lines of today, ice cream is a testament to humanity's love for sweet, simple pleasures. Whether you prefer classic vanilla or wild flavors like wasabi, one thing is certain: ice cream is here to stay, one scoop at a time. And there you have it, the fascinating journey of how ice cream is made. From its ancient origins to the modern production lines, it's a process that combines science, creativity, and a sprinkle of magic to create the creamy treat we all love. Be sure to let us know your favorite flavor in the comments below. Thanks for watching another episode of Behind the Make. See you in the next video.